Hello friends, Namaste. This side is Maya Sani and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Friends, I hope you liked my previous video and today I have come again to tell you some more sentences, some more English daily routine sentences for your kids which you can use with your kids in daily routine. Friends, before doing that, I want to share something with you. I could have made these videos in Hindi also, but I didn't do so because I feel that if you want to learn English, then you should speak English, you should listen English, you should read English. Then you will be able to learn English fluently and quickly. So, this is my important tip for all of you that if you want to learn English desperately, then you have to devote at least half an hour in a day to English. You should give 10 minutes to each and every section, whether it is reading section, it is listening section, or it is writing section. So, friends, roll up your sleeves and start doing practice English because don't worry, English is just a language. You can learn it. Trust me. So, friends, let's talk about our daily English sentences which you can use with your kids after coming back from school. So, let's get started. Daily routine sentences for kids. अपने जूते बाहर उतारो. Take off your shoes outside. Take off your shoes outside. जाओ और सबसे पहले हाथ धो. Go and wash your hands first. Go and wash your hands first. अपने कपड़े बदल लो. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. अपना टिफिन बॉक्स और पानी की बोतल बैग से बाहर निकाल दो. Take out your tiffin box and water bottle from the bag. Take out your tiffin box and water bottle from the bag. तुम्हारा आज का दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day today? How was your day today? थोड़ी देर के लिए खेल लो. Play for some time. Play for some time. पार्क में जाओ. Go to park. वहाँ किसी से लड़ना मत. Do not fight or quarrel with anyone there. Do not fight or quarrel with anyone there. ज़्यादा ज़ोर से मत चिल्लाओ. Do not shout too loud. Do not shout too loud. कुछ रुपए लेकर जाओ. Take some money with you. Take some money with you. घर जल्दी लौट आना. Come home early. Come home early. शाम हो गई है. It's evening. It's evening. अपना होमवर्क करो. Do your homework. Do your homework. आज मैंने तुम्हारा मनपसंद खाना बनाया है. I made your favorite meal today. I made your favorite meal today. हम साथ में बैठकर खाएंगे. We will eat together. We will eat together. खाने से पहले भगवान का नाम लो. Pray before eating. Pray before eating. खाने के बाद कुछ देर सैर कर लो. Go for a walk after dinner. Go for a walk after dinner. सोने के लिए जाओ. Get to sleep. Get to sleep. कल सुबह सबको जल्दी उठना है. Everyone has to get up early tomorrow morning. Everyone has to get up early tomorrow morning. Shubh Ratri. Good night. So friends, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video and please do not forget to subscribe my channel.